when governments are emerging from an era of austerity and are on constant pressure to manage expenditures, any social innovations that can attract support from the $50 billion of philanthropic capital in Canada or the $1.5 trillion of assets under management in Canada are going to have a greater chance of going to scale. It's very rarely the case that the social or environmental problem of concern is caused by a lack of capital. We spend billions of dollars as a country on some of the most intractable problems, from healthcare to employment to social housing. We've just allocated $40 billion over 10 years as a federal government to the issue of affordability. So the issue isn't the amount of money, but it's that we need to find new ways of spending and investing that capital to produce more effective outcomes. And in this sense, innovation is the scarcest resource, not necessarily the capital. If we could reallocate it, we could use it much more effectively. What we've seen across the country in the years since we started the centre is many examples of social innovations that test out new solutions to these kinds of social problems. These include models for investing in social housing, funds that receive investment from retail investors to support social enterprises and affordable housing, and mechanisms integrated increasingly into government procurement that create opportunities for social enterprises and employment for people who've been excluded from the workforce and miss out on opportunities to participate and also become a significant burden from a taxpayer's perspective.